Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by targeting carriers or booking platforms that allow a free hold or 24-hour cancellation. This gives you a legitimate itinerary without immediate payment. Once you find a suitable flight, enter your passenger info exactly as on your passport and choose the hold/reserve option or save the flight details. Make sure you note the PNR or hold expiration time. This initial step creates the official record you'll need for applications or confirmations. Next, secure proof. Either buy a refundable ticket you can cancel within the allowed window or ask a licensed travel agent to issue a provisional booking or reservation invoice. Once done, you'll receive a PNR and an official-looking itinerary email or PDF. This works because airlines and agencies generate the same booking records. Make sure the document shows flight numbers, dates, passenger name, and PNR. Keep the confirmation screenshot and PDF. They are the documents most finish by downloading the itinerary PDF and capturing screenshots of the booking email and PNR. Store them in multiple places. Then verify the hold's expiration, and if needed, call the airline or travel agent to extend or reissue it. Explain you need it for visa or documentation. If the PNR shows as unconfirmed, don't rely on it. Ask for written confirmation or switch to a refundable purchase and cancel later. This avoids last-minute issues and preserves a legitimate, verifiable itinerary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.